RGB is a thing. A big thing, obviously, but how far can you take it? How about having the lights react with sound and visuals displayed on your monitor? Does it have any effect on your experience, or is it just a gimmicky grab? Hey, what's up guys? My name is JD from JDTechGear and welcome back to the channel where we discuss PC passion, reviews, guides, mods, and more. So if you're into that sort of thing, consider subscribing and checking out the rest of the channel. A lot of keyboards have reactive typing lighting with built-in RGB features, and now you can experience a complete ambient lighting environment synced to the sound and display of your PC. This is all done with Philips Hue. So today I've got two lamps in the shape of bowls, one light strip, and the bridge to connect it all together. The bridge acts as the brain and communicates between the lights, the app on your phone, and the app on your PC. And those are the primary ingredients to make the reactive lighting work. To make this all work together, first you need to have the bridge connected to your router, all the lights are plugged in, and have the Hue app downloaded for your phone and for your PC. I have an Android phone, the Honor View 10, and the app runs perfectly well without any crashing or stuttering, surprisingly. So Android support is pretty good, so I'm imagining iOS support is pretty solid as well. You'll have to update the app and the lights first before you can do anything. Then you can go ahead and set up a room by selecting the lights and what type of room it is. Then go into the settings of the app and set up an entertainment area. This will most likely require another update before you can go ahead with this. Once that is done, you'll have to select the room that you had set up from earlier to be able to be used for the entertainment area. You'll be able to place the lights where you want in relation to the room and test each light to make sure they're in the right spot, which is insanely helpful to help setting up the lighting environment. It reminded me of setting up a sound system. Once your entertainment area is finished setting up, download the app for your PC or Mac and it'll connect to your bridge, and then it'll show the entertainment area that you created on your phone. And that's it. It was a very seamless and easy to follow process, not to mention it all worked without any quirks or crashing on me. Once you're in the app on your PC, you can choose to either sync with video games. Additionally, you can toggle on the reactive sound as well. You can sync music or just any sound coming from your PC. Also, you can choose separate color palettes for your personal spectrum. This is only available for syncing with music. And lastly, you can sync to movies and you can also sync to audio as well. If the lighting is too distracting, you can change the brightness and reactive intensity, which I thought was a really nice feature. Now everything is set up. The apps are easy to work with and understand, and now we can see what the experience is like. First off, this isn't something that's going to take you out of your seat and lift you away. The lighting environment is supposed to be a subtle immersion effect on your eyes. Anyways, for movies, I think the lights are a really nice effect, especially movies with vivid color palettes like Avengers Infinity War. I think the lights really bring your attention to what's happening visually. The lighting is just enough that it doesn't take me out of the movie, yet doesn't go unnoticed either. Seeing colors being pushed off the screen entertains my peripheral vision while watching a movie and makes for a really pleasant viewing experience to me. When syncing the lights to audio, it's really all about lights now, and I usually push the reactive intensity to the max. There's all sorts of visualizers on YouTube, but having physical light reacting to whatever you want is pretty cool, and this is on the fly. Having this happen in real time is a really neat experience. I'll just let you listen to the song and experience this for yourself. Lastly, let's talk gaming. I believe for games that are more casual or a visual experience like Forza Horizon 4 or 3 or Skyrim, this is really neat and creates a light-based environmental immersion. Gaming is a lot of fun with that type of atmosphere. However, games like Black Ops 4 and League of Legends, this could easily become too distracting when you just want focus instead of immersion. Alternatively, you can have the lights just sync to the sound and it can create visual cues for enemies nearby, so that is something to keep in mind. There's very little latency between the lights and the frames on your monitor and sounds produced by your PC, which is pretty impressive to me. Either way, it's still cool to see the colors represented through the lights between different environments in different games. The light strip and the lamps are fantastic quality LEDs, which mostly everyone already knows, but the software is well developed and very easy for the user experience, which is kind of surprising to me because there are quite a number of pieces to set up before you can get the reactive lights going. So the fact that this was so easy was a really pleasant experience. The light strip, lamp, and bridge are expensive. I'm not going to shy away from that. It's $80 $10 for the light strip alone. What you're paying for is a software integration and LED quality. This is for those who don't mind the price and want the reactive ability, which depends on person to person. Would I personally pay for it? Yeah, I'm very design centric with my setup and entertainment, so I could easily spend the money. I spent extra money to have matching coasters with my setup, so this would be an easy buy for how easy and seamless these lights work. Now, I think the majority of people can say, you know, the lights look pretty good, even if you think it's too distracting or you think it's unnecessary. This really comes down to the person, whether they think it's necessary or unnecessary, depending on how design centric they are with their entertainment. So I think that's what it really comes down to. And if you guys are new here, you want to see more videos like this one, consider subscribing. I want to thank you all for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.